Hello other YouTube friends, I'm Cindy. This is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today I have a stitch fix. Alright, so welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified of any new uploads that I might have. If you have been here for a while, welcome back. I appreciate you hanging out with me over and over and over again. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button or the notification bell yet, you need to do so. And also hit the like button if you enjoy this type of video, Stitch Fix unboxings, fashion stuff, book stuff, all that kind of stuff. Then hit the like button and the subscribe button. Help me out. Help a girl out. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I will have a referral code down in the description box. If you have not tried Stitch Fix before, you can get a up to a $50 credit. Most of them are between $25 and $50 depending on when you use the referral link after I check out. So if you use it within like 48 hours after I check out, 9 times out of 10, it's about a $50 credit. And if it's after that, then it's a $25 credit. So in your box, you will have a return envelope to return anything you do not wish to keep. And then you will have an envelope that has a style card in it with your note from your stylist. And then you will also have your invoice that lists all of your items as well as their prices and sizes and colors. And if you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% off discount. Now, there is a $20 styling fee for each box. If you keep something from your box, then that $20 goes towards anything that you wish to keep. So that is always nice. So let's go ahead and dig into a bundle. I remember what this is. So with Stitch Fix, you now do get a preview. So this is a cardigan sweater that I did choose from the preview. So let's go ahead and dig this out. They send you 10 items, I think it is, in the preview. So you can choose all 5 of your items if you find 5 items from that 10 that you really, really like and that you want them to send you. Or you can choose a couple, or you can choose none, and then you can tell them again what else you would like, or send them a note or whatever to see if they can restyle you with a second preview. I believe there's a second preview now. And they will send you any of those items. Or you can just say, hey, just go ahead and pick whatever you want to pick in the second go round, and I'll be happy with what you send me. So this is a cute little cardigan. I just thought it was so adorably cute. It is just a neutral beige color. It does have some detail going down here in the front as well as down the arms. It is hooded, which I thought was a lot of fun. It does not have any type of closure, and I don't think it has pockets, which is kind of a downside, but I thought it was super cute anyway. So I'm excited to try that. Looks like we have a little bit of color there. I did ask for something in a Kelly green color. I've been looking for a cardigan or a sweater or something in that green color. I just think green with navy looks really cute and really polished and really put together. So I've been looking for something to wear with some navy pants that I have. I'm not sure that this is going to fit the bill for that purpose, but it is something in a little bit of a Kelly green. So I'm excited to see what we have here. All right, so in this bundle, we're going to start with the green top that I just mentioned. So this is much lighter weight than what I was looking for. It is very springy, very, very lightweight, and it is sheer, so I would definitely have to wear something underneath this. It does have cute little ruffle sleeves and a cute little ruffle neckline. It is split neck, but very, very cute. I'm kind of bummed that I would have to wear something underneath it, to be honest with you. It does have a little bit of texture to it. It feels very nice. It's cute, has the cute little white flowers. I like that. So we'll see how it comes across on screen. Then we have kind of an olive green color top, it looks like, yes. Looks like a little cami with a cowl neck. Cute, very fallish. For sure. Very good for this season of the year. Would look good with a black jacket, something like that. Then we have a turtleneck. I did ask for this. This was in my preview. It did look like it was red and black in the preview. So it is a navy, and it is more of an orange and a pink stripe through there. So a little bit different than what I was expecting, but it's still very soft, very nice. It is just a basic turtleneck. I liked it because it looked like it was something basic. However, now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure what I would wear it with. Because I was thinking I would wear it to work if it's black and red and just kind of simple and easy. I'm not sure how I feel about navy with black. I know navy is a neutral, but I'm not a big fan of it with black. I don't know. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe just a pair of jeans. But then I can't wear it to work unless I wear it on a Friday. And I don't know. All right. So now we have something floral. So we're kind of mixing some seasons here. It's kind of weird. All right. So we have a very pretty floral short sleeve maxi dress. This is a, what's the word I'm looking for? Faux wrap dress. It does have a little bit of a flutter sleeve. This is very similar to some that they have sent me in the past. I do have a high-low that has that wrap style with the floral as well. I have heard just today that evidently the high-low trend is on its way out. So whether or not it's true or not, I don't know. I'll probably try to get one more season out of it. But very pretty and very soft. It would be a good transition piece. Would look cute with a cardigan or something right now. And then as it warms up, definitely moving towards, you know, taking that cardigan off and wearing sandals and something like that with it. So, all right, let's get started. All right, we are going to start with the dress. So I love one and done pieces, and this is definitely a one and done piece. Perfect for spring, moving into spring. I think, again, it would look cute with a cardigan. I have like a light pink colored cardigan that I think would be pretty with it. Booties would work well with it as well this time of year. It's very soft, very comfortable. Love the V-neck, love the faux wrap. It does have some elastic going on right here. It does just kind of flow over my problem area there at the stomach. The flutter sleeves are cute. So this one might be a keeper. I'm not sure what the price is, but I am liking this one. So it does hit the top of my feet. The length is perfect for me. It's not overly frou-frou or anything like that, but let me get a little bit closer so you can see the florals and the neckline. So again, you do have a black base there with some pinks, some corals, and some turquoise. Very pretty, kind of beachy floral type of pattern. A little bit of a flutter sleeve. Everything does come up underneath the arms properly. Good V-neck. It doesn't require a modesty pin or anything there. And again, you do have some elastic there in the waist. Let me know what you guys think. All right, moving on. All right, so this is the Kelly green shirt. Now, I know that you guys can see completely through this. Sorry. I chose not to try on the shapewear with it simply because I wanted to get a good idea of what it's going to look like without shapewear, without something underneath. And it is definitely see-through, unfortunately. I do like this, but you know, if I'm looking for something to move into spring and summer, I don't want something that I have to layer because I'm going to get too hot. So this is probably going to be a no-go for me, even though I really, really like the collar. I think the fit is good. And I like the ruffle sleeve. I like the split neck. I like everything about it except it's not thick enough. It's very comfortable. Again, split neck, but not too far down. It has a little bit of ruffling here at the neck, and then a little bit of a flutter sleeve. Underneath the sleeves are good. Underneath the arms are good. I don't know. So, too sheer. This one's going back. I'm just not one to want to wear something underneath it when it gets to be warm outside. I mean, anyway. All right, here we go. Okay, so I have two of the pieces on here. Let's start with the cardigan. So it is super, super duper comfortable. Again, there are no closures, so it doesn't have a zipper or anything like that. No pockets, which is kind of a bummer. It sits right below the waist. The sleeves are a little bit long, but you can see that the sleeves are a little bit fuller as well. Kind of a balloon sleeve a little bit. Does have a cute little hood, which I do like as well, just because it's something different. You don't see it on a cardigan every day. So let's get a little bit closer so you can see the details. So again, I love the collar. I'm not sure that I would wear it with this shirt. I feel like it's a little more casual. It does have a drop sleeve, which again makes it a little more casual. I like the details here in the knit. I don't know, I just think it's a lot of fun. I don't have anything like it in my closet. I do have a cream colored cardigan, but not one that's kind of just a throw this over with your t-shirt, kind of any t-shirt, it doesn't matter because it's going to go with everything kind of cardigan. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Does it look too oversized? Does it look too big? I may try it on with the more fitted turtleneck as well to see what I think about that. All right, so let's talk about this number. So I like the collar. The neckline's fine. I feel like it's a flattering neckline. Under the arms are fine. The fit seems to be good. I don't know. It would look good with a blazer, dressed up for sure. I'm just not sure how much wear I would get out of it. I'm not sure how much I would pull for it. So you do just have this cowl neck look here. I feel like it's making all of this look so large. I don't know. I feel like I want it to like be more slenderizing here, and I feel like it's just making all of this look bigger. What do you guys think? Am I crazy? I don't know. I don't think I'm loving this one either. All right, we have the turtleneck. I'm just going to try it on with the black pants that I already have on, as opposed to going up and getting a pair of jeans. I would more likely wear it with jeans than I would these black pants, but we're going to give it a try with these black pants. If I feel like I am questioning it, if I am questioning whether I love it or not, then I'll try it on with some jeans to get a better idea. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I definitely like the sweater better with something like the turtleneck, something a little more basic. I like the stripes with this. I think that it works well. But I definitely like the sweater a little bit better with something like this. It's almost like the cowl neck was kind of taking away from the sweater. I feel like underneath needs to be a little more simplified. All right, so here is the turtleneck. Let me do something with this. Okay, so very comfortable. I do like the stripes. It is a navy and, like I said, more of a orangish pinkish collar. I feel like the fit is good. It's slimming. I don't know, I kind of like it. Even with the black it looks okay, doesn't it? I'm surprised, pleasantly surprised. All right, let's get a little closer. So again, true turtleneck that folds down. Does have the stripes here. I don't know if you can see those very well, but it is more of a, it's like two stripes. You have a darker stripe on the top, lighter collar, and then darker down there as well. Again, I thought it was going to be black and red, but we do have like a navy and pink thing going on here, which is good. I like it. What do you guys think? Do the arms line up? Do the stripes line up? They do, it looks like. Very good, very good. All right, I kind of like this. So we might have two options in this one. What do you guys think? Let me know your favorites. Let me know which ones I should pitch. I am going to go upstairs and get my other dress that's similar to the black dress just to compare. And I'll be right back with the wrap up. Okay, so we are ready for the wrap up. So what did you guys think about that fix overall? Did it seem to fit my style, or was it completely off the mark? What do you think? So let's start with the green blouse. So again, I love the collar. I like the white flowers, love the little feminine details. I do not like that it's sheer. I'm kind of bummed out by that. This is $42, but this is going to be a no because I do not want to be wearing something underneath it to work in order to wear it. Then we have the hooded cardigan, which I think I love. So this is $58. Let me know what you guys think. I do think I would get a lot of wear out of this. Let me know if it looked good. Or if it looks frumpy. I don't want to look frumpy. So let me know your thoughts about that. Then we have the turtleneck. Surprisingly, I did like it as well. Not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. It is only $38, which is a great price. It is very soft. I am going to look back at the footage and I may go ahead and try it on with a pair of jeans because that's probably what I would more likely be more likely to wear it with than the black pants that I had tried on with it, or a pair of navy pants that I have. So let me know what you think about that. Then we have the cowl neck top. I did like the collar of this, and that's about it. I felt like it did not lay right across the chest, and it is $40. And then finally we have the Maxi dress. It is $78, of course, the most expensive thing in the box. And it is in black. It is by Loveapella. And one thing that I did not note when I tried it on is it does have a little lacy detail up here on each shoulder. I did go ahead and bring down my other dress I was talking about. Let's just lay this across here. This is the other one that I have that made me think of it. It is a little bit different pattern. It is that black. It is the faux wrap, but the coloring is a little bit different in terms of the flowers. Are they different enough? Has more blue and green? I don't know. Is it worth $78 when I have something very similar? I don't know. I don't know. Or should I wait till later in the season when I would be more likely to wear it more? It's almost like you want to tell them, hey, Stitch Fix, I don't want this right now, but if you have it in stock later, send it to me in 2 months. It'd be nice if they had, why don't they have that option? I mean, I know they have freestyle, so you can get on there and you can kind of look to see maybe if this dress is available in a couple months and even possibly get it on sale. But at the same time, it could also be sold out. And then I miss out on it. So, I don't know. Anyway, all right, let me know what you guys think about the sweater and the dress. Those are like my two top, and the turtleneck. Let me know your thoughts on those 3 items. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what your favorites. Let me know what your least favorites were. And I'm sorry I haven't been keeping up like I said I would. It is what it is. Such is life. So, but I will see you guys soon. I will have some book reviews coming up. Fingers crossed. I mean, I've read some books. I just haven't filmed them, filmed the reviews. So I will have those coming up for you soon. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.